आज हम लोग डाउनलोड करेंगे उबंटू, वो भी विंडोज़ में, यूजिंग वर्चुअल इन्वायरमेंट which is created from virtual box. To download it, I will give you the link, or you can just go and Google VirtualBox download and just download it. And you have to also download Ubuntu. It is an iOS image of the file to download. You can either choose this one, and this one is the latest one. I would recommend you to use this. That disk image here. I have already downloaded. Let me show you where I have. Here it is. Now first let's download the VirtualBox. I will be telling you each and every step what you have to do and what not to do. Just simply okay. Finish, start. The interface will look like this. So we have to create another. We are using Ubuntu 64, so we choose one, and I will recommend you to use it in your C drive. If you don't have enough space in your C drive, then use another. I have sufficient space, so I'll be using it in my C drive. Take this to the mid of the midpoint and just create next, and set it to be 20 GB or box 25, let's say. Before starting, you need to do some changes. Come here and bidirection. From this you can copy and paste directly from the your Windows to Linux or Ubuntu. Make the use it to processor maximum, and then storage, video memory, make it full storage. Take this empty one and choose a disk file, and the disk file would be the file which we disk image file, this one which we downloaded of Ubuntu. Press OK, and then start it. It will take a bit of time. Press enter. I don't need to do a lot of things. The VirtualBox, the Ubuntu will just ask you some question, that where you live, from which country, or which language, which keyboard language do you want, and some other stuff. You have to just click next and next. You can do it also by your own. If you face any error, you can comment down below. I will get something look like this screen. This will take a bit time because we are installing it. Give it its time. It is asking what do you want to install Ubuntu. If you wanna try, you can try, but you have to install the actual version. This is the default. I will also make it default. I will not make any changes as we don't require. Just install now. Don't change anything. Continue. Give it your name. Just you can also choose the require my password to login. Now it will take a lot of time to copy all the files, and then it will also download some files. It will show something like this. It will right now copying the files and also installing some required files. Give it its time and it will be done soon. Just it is almost finished copying files. And now it is installing the system. It will take also some time. Now it's almost done, I think so. So let's see what we are just getting by default in Ubuntu. I'm starting. Yeah, welcome to Ubuntu. You'll get a lot of free software: VLC, Firefox, YouTube, Rhythm Box Music. You can also download this Spotify if you want. You will get a Shoot well photo manager for editing purpose, and you can also download these gamepad image editor and shortcut video editor. Make the most web. You are also getting these three. Chromium you have to download. It is supported. This will be downloaded. This Libra, if you don't know, it is just like Microsoft Office, but it is free to use. You can use anything for free. You don't need to pay anything. You can also download it in your Mac or Windows for free. I think it is ready to go. It's in the original last package. 22 seconds left. So now it is showing to restart. Then you just restart now. Click on, and your Ubuntu will be downloaded. Remove the install medium and press enter. Press enter just. So pressing enter. Let's see how much RAM or CPU it is using. Not it is using. 90% of RAM is ended mine. You can see I have just 4 GB of RAM. But this is will run out fine after the first boot. It will take some time. So first of all, make this. Let's make our apply view full screen mode. Keep changes. We will also go in appearance. Choose dark. Change the size. Bottom. This will make you feel that you are in just Windows. Come back. Now as we need we can use VS Code or PyCharm. Let's see is do we have Python on download or not. Yeah, we have having Python. Yeah, Python 3.9.4. Install now. There will be some updates. I will recommend download. Yeah, it is working all fine. Now let me just get out of it. You close this. Put in application ratings. It will ask your password many times actually. If you want to download anything, you have to give him password. Search VS Code. You can just go to development. I think the update is going on, that's why it is being slow. You can just download this from the Ubuntu software.